Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix not registering keys on your Logitech G316X keyboard. So first of all, let's check the keys. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to use the third-party software to do that because we don't have any dedicated software from Logitech, but thankfully we have some application on Google Play Store that is quite reliable, and it's called KeyTester Pro. We can download it from the Microsoft Store. Just search for it, find it, download and open it. Now the interface is quite simple. You simply have to press some keys on your keyboard. Now try checking the ones that aren't registering, and if they in fact do not work, so do not display, right here, do not change their color, then in such case you should check whether you have laid them inside properly, if you have recently switched your keycaps, or maybe in such case this is some sort of the hardware issue, and in such case you're gonna have to reach out directly to Logitech customer support service to get this issue resolved. Now, besides, I can also recommend simply unplugging and replugging your keyboard to your computer, restarting your computer in case you have recently updated the firmware to your keyboard. In the G Hub application, we can check for updates, and maybe this will help you as well. By clicking the gear icon right here and going to updates, we can check for the new software version, and to check the update directly for your keyboard, go to your keyboard menu, then open settings by clicking this gear icon in the bottom left corner, then go to general settings, and here you'll be able to see update if there is a firmware update for your keyboard. If this option is grayed out, then this means that you're using the most recent firmware. And the last thing that I want to mention is that if, for example, your Windows key isn't working, that's most probably because you have the game mode enabled, and you just have to press this button and your Windows button will start working again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.